Russia. It might not come as a surprise that Russia is the largest country in Europe. It is the biggest country in the world, after all. Although about 75% of Russia is in Asia, it still occupies 3,995,200 square kilometers, 1,542,555 of Europe, a far larger area than any other European country. It's also home to the planet's largest freshwater lake, Lake Baikal, and the longest river in Europe, the Volga River. Ukraine. Just how big is Ukraine? Ukraine is the second largest country in Europe with an area of just over 600,000 square kilometers. It is ranked 46 in a list of the largest countries of the world. France. Number 3 on this list is France, with 551,695 square kilometers of territory within Europe. This number does not include overseas territories, whose areas would contribute to naming France as the second largest in Europe. Spain. Coming in at 52 on the list of the largest countries in the world, Spain is the fourth largest in Europe. It shares land borders with Portugal, Gibraltar, Andorra, and France, and it is the second westernmost country on mainland Europe. Sweden. Sandwiched between Norway and Finland is the Scandinavian country of Sweden, the fifth largest in Europe and the 56th largest in the world. Sweden's geography is characterized by extensive forest coverage and many large lakes, especially in its southern regions. Germany. With coastlines on the Baltic and North Seas and land borders with 9 other countries, Germany is the 6th largest country in Europe and comes in at 63 on the world ranking. Mountains, forests, and rivers are all found in abundance in Germany. Finland. After Germany in the list of the largest countries in Europe comes Finland, with an area of almost 340,000 square kilometers. It occupies an area far in the north of Europe, bordering Russia, Sweden. Norway. Norway is the 8th largest country in Europe, although it would rank at number 6 if Svalbard was included in the measure of its area. It includes the northernmost point in mainland Europe and is to the west of both Finland and Sweden. Poland. The 9th largest country in Europe, Poland's landscape is diverse. Its northeastern region contains one of the highest densities of lakes in the world, with more than 10,000 in the country. Italy. Italy is the 10th largest country in Europe and is part of both southern and western Europe. It borders France, Switzerland, Austria, and Slovenia in the northern part of the country and extends far into the Mediterranean Sea.